Think Siri is just your digital assistant? Oh no, she's your secret iPhone weapon. These 5 Siri hacks are so good you'll wonder why Apple kept them hidden. Let's dive in. First up, did you know Siri works without internet? Yup, even when you're totally offline, Siri's got your back. Just say, "Hey Siri, turn on the flashlight," or "Open Notes." Boom, it still works. This is clutch when you're on airplane mode or completely out of data. Number 2, Siri is basically Shazam in disguise. Hear a song playing and don't know what it is? Just ask, "Hey Siri, what song is this?" She'll listen like a ninja and hit you with the title in seconds. No app, no typing, no missing that banger ever again. Number 3, Siri can be your personal narrator. Too busy to check your texts? Say, "Hey Siri, read my unread messages." She'll read them out loud and even let you reply, all without touching your phone. Total boss move while driving or multitasking. Fourth, built-in real-time translator. Forget Google Translate. Siri's got it built in. Try this. "Hey Siri, how do you say 'where's the hotel' in French?" She'll say it and show it. Perfect for travelers or language learners. And number 5, create custom Siri magic. Want your phone to know your vibe? With the Shortcuts app, you can make commands like, "Hey Siri, game mode." Dims lights do not disturb on, Spotify opens. It's like having your own iPhone butler. Mind blown. Which Siri secret are you trying first? Tell me in the comments. And if you love discovering hidden iPhone powers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. Trust me, we're just getting started.